Hi everybody, I just want to say congratulations on taking the first step in changing your real estate business. I know change is not easy, actually it's very uncomfortable. So just the fact that you went on this website, you put in your information, and now you're exploring teams and maybe changing your brokerage is a great first step, I would say. Just wanted to let you know a little bit about what you should expect next. Typically, we have a multi-step process for partnering with real estate agents. And first, we're gonna maybe have a conversation with you on the phone, get to know each other. And then the second step is we send you an assessment for you to complete. Once you've done that assessment, then we set up a time to meet. And basically, you get to know each other. I ask you a bunch of questions, you ask me a bunch of questions, and either you're gonna walk away from that conversation feeling invigorated and excited and maybe like, hey man, this guy can possibly change my business, or you're gonna feel like, hey, it's not gonna be any different than my last situation or whatever. And either of those things are completely okay. So again, I look forward to meeting you. Congratulations. And yeah, just watch out for our next call. Thank you.